Hi, welcome to the Gerry Lynch show. Today I'm going to be opening up my metal detector. Let's get her open now and see what we got in store. I'm going to push this back so you guys can see what the hell I got. Put that down. Okay, this is the metal detector, guys. Let's see what we got in store. I got a knife, so I don't know. I might never use it. Let's open it up and let's see what we got. I don't know. Is that tape? Oh, not tape. I always wanted one. I haven't got. Never had one. I don't know what I'm in store. Don't even left that. I have no idea what I'm getting into. Good thing I got the knife. See? Oh, okay, that was easier to get off than I thought. Now, slide out like that, I think. Or this is what? Okay, there's a hole here. That's stopping it. I think that cardboard is stopping it right there, guys. And it's stopping it right here. Rubber band. Okay, that's this. Oh, yeah. Right. That's that. You guys are saying he haven't got a clue how to put that together. He don't know what he's doing. Probably you're right. Oh man, some cardboard nipping this together. Better one up right there. Oh my god. I can't see it. To get at it. Oh. Whack, whack. Stab, stab. What's this? Ooh, that goes on your arm. Okay, there should be a strap here, guys. Instruction manual. Yeah. Okay, nothing in that. Okay. I don't know what this bag was for. Put some garbage in, I suppose. I have no idea. Not a clue. Swipe side to side. Ooh, okay. So I guess that's the detector. So I'm guessing he goes on somewhere. He goes somewhere here. Don't know where, but we'll have to see, guys. Let me get this hooked up. What's this? Oh, that's the main artery of the machine, guys. Cool. Look at it. Oh, okay. So this here goes in here, clicks in here, like that. Okay, here's your adjustments. And I'm gonna need her down right here, like, see when I stand up, touch my arm in here. Perfect. Put your arm in here, see? Rest your arm, boy. Oh, jeez, man, this is good. This is good. Hope it come with Okay. I was going to say, I hope it come with more stuff than that, but it did. It did. Oh, bastards. To unscrew it from here. Oh, crap. I don't think batteries come with it, guys. To me, it seemed like batteries didn't come with it. No surprise. I was expecting batteries come with it anyway. Cool. That can adjust. That can adjust, guys. Okay, put that in here now, screw it in. Aha. Okay. Aha. So what's this? This must go to the, this must belong to headphones or something, do it? Or goes up here? Yes, this goes up here. Okay. Cool. This goes up here, guys. This plugs in up right here. It's a plug-in right here. Okay. Okay. He goes on the bottom like that, I'm guessing. So here, other one over there. Ooh, it's a plug in there. Looks like something there for headphones or something. What? Okay. The battery case is right here. I'm guessing there's no batteries. What do you guys think? Batteries, yes or no? No, no batteries. Surprise, surprise. What kind of batteries should that take? What the hell? I have no clue what kind of batteries that takes. Oh well, try to get this back. No. Nope, that goes in there first like that. There you go. Now, try to get this in here like this, you guys. I just got to keep twirling it around until it fits. Ah, got it. I think. Think that's it. There you go. That goes here like that, and all I gotta do then is tape it around. Get a bit of tape it around, and do it up a bit nicer, and comes right here. Yeah, get a bit of tape right here, stuff like that. But like I said, it's not gonna turn on, but surface 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 15 centimeters. Holy crap! Yeah, she can go up to gold and depth and target. Yeah, cool. Oh man, this is awesome. I wish I had batteries. What kind of batteries again? I wonder, do I have batteries out there? I wonder. If I got batteries, you guys are gonna see. Holy God, that's freaking hard to open, especially my big fingers. Okay, okay. Let's see. What kind of batteries should I take? Let's see what kind of batteries do it take. I meant to say. Okay, I guess I got to take that out again because that cord wraps around. Okay, that cord's supposed to wrap around that. Uh-huh. Cord's supposed to wrap around. Okay, 9 volt. Uh, 2 9 volt batteries. Okay. So I don't have them. I'm gonna have to wait, you guys. See? 2 9 volt batteries. Look at it. Shows you when it's green, fully charged and all that. Cool. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to unplug that again. Watch. It's telling me I got to go around. It's telling me I got to go around the stick like that, right? That's what I was saying, like that, like that. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to unwind just one. There you go. Now she'll fit. Now she'll fit up here. There you go. Now, see? I had to wind it around so it'll fit in there. So now I'll be able to get me back. I'm going to keep that off because until I get my batteries. So, like I said, you stand up now and be able to put your arm in here. I figured it'd be some kind of like rest or something. You know, looks like there's something you can put your arm. Up down flat like that, and you go on. Gold, baby, gold. Or money. I'll be there searching for money. I know it's where I'm going, but I'm not telling you guys. Hell no. I'm not telling you guys nothing where I go. Nope, especially when I does that video. None of you guys won't even know where I'm at. Metal detector. Wicked. Awesome. Strange, it didn't come with a strap. Wonder, should put that in the box? Yeah. Put that back in the box. That instructions is not going back in the box. That's staying there. Metal detector, I'm going to leave that over there in the tree. I'm not getting rid of this box. Hell no. Yeah. Oh man, that's awesome. I can't wait to get her going. Holy moly. Can't wait. Can't wait, guys, to get her. Oh, look at me shirt. Yeah. Can't wait, though, to get her going. Oh, man, that's going to be awesome. Yeah, I'll be metal detecting the shit out of Seymour's Road. Holy crap. But where I'm going to get the most of the... Where I'm going to be going to get most of the stuff that is buried that no one don't know about. That's my location. And it's not Seymour's Road. Hell no. Dude, that's not Seymour's Road I'm talking about. I can't tell you guys where it's at. No, can't tell you where it's at, but I'll be going. The only thing that stopped me now is the snow. That's going to be a lot of summer work, that is. I'm going to be in there like a lot. It's about an hour's drive from here. It's about an hour. It's not St. John's either. It goes towards Clarenville. It's up in the woods. There's like a small town there. And it's something like, I don't know, something like a ghost town. And I've heard there's a lot of money and a lot of gold coins, and people was bearing stuff up there. I don't know if you're allowed up there, but what's the worst thing can do? Throw you out and say private property? That's all they can do, or charge you with no trespassing. But that's it. Like I said, as long as there's no trespassing signs here and stuff like that, I'm okay. I think I am. Write in the comments below if I can get in trouble if there's no trespassing signs here. I don't know if I can or not. If there's not, well, I can't see why I would get in trouble. Yeah. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope you have a safe and happy Boxing Day. Love you all. Bye.